GIFT Nifty is pointing to a positive start. That's in line with our call of the day, which suggests Nifty is likely to start the day on positive footing and aim to mount on its 2 days of back-to-back solid gains. The 6 biggest positive catalysts. 1. Investors welcome news on tariff leniency coming from the White House. This included the 90-day pause that sent the entire market rocketing up, as well as exemptions on electronics that benefit large tech companies. 2. Hopes of above normal monsoon. 3. FIIs turned buyers in yesterday's positive session to the tune of Rs 6,065 crore, which was its largest single-day net buy since 27 March 2025, when they had pumped in Rs 11,111.25 crore. 4. India's inflation falls to over 5-year low. 5. Technically, Nifty has comfortably climbed well above its 21 DMA and 50 DMA. 6. WTI crude oil prices stay sluggish near $61 per barrel, driven by signs of weakening demand and potential oversupply. Long story short, after a higher open, Nifty may consolidate. For long-term traders, any move above Nifty's 200-day average of 24,054 will be a more reliable positive reference point. Bottom line, only above Nifty 24,054 mark, it is safe to assume that Nifty is out of the woods. Market trends. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 6,066 crores, while net sold shares to the tune of Rs 1,952 crores. Bullish sentiments are likely to prevail. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are suggesting a desired rebound play. FNO April month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 21,000 to 24,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index plunged 20% to 16.12 levels. At last check, USD INR 28 April expiry was hovering at 85.88. Nifty PCR 24th April is at 1.07 levels. Bank Nifty PCR 24th April is at 1.02. Nifty outlook, a cautious optimistic start on cards. Bullish consolidation could be the preferred theme for the day. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 3329. Biggest intraday support on Nifty is now placed at 23,100 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 23,870 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,100 and 23500. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 52380. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 51,300 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 53,100 mark and then at 54,467 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 51,905 to 900. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. Nifty dramatic rebound has been a marvel as investors now turn their focus to the upcoming Q4 earnings season. Q4 corporate India's results to trickle in. Wednesday, 16th April. Angelone, Wipro. Thursday, 17th April, HDFC AMC, HDFC Life, Infi, Tata Elxsi. Amongst stock-specific action. 1. IndusInd Bank has said that an external agency report found discrepancies in its derivatives deals, quantifying a negative impact of 19.79 billion rupees, $231 million, as of 30th June 2024. Based on this report, IndusInd assessed an adverse impact of 2.27% to its net worth as of December 2024. 2. Indian Hotels, plus 6.06%. Stock price is in limelight after the firm said that it has expanded its portfolio to 380 hotels by launching properties at 100 new locations in the financial year 2025. 3. Transrail Lighting, plus 8.38%. Stock price gained after the recently listed company won an order worth Rs 1,085 crore. 4. Lodha Developers, plus 8.14%, after media reports suggested that Abhishek Lodha's Macrotech Developers and his younger brother, Abhinandan Lodha's House of Abhinandan Lodha, OABL, have amicably resolved all outstanding disputes. Both parties agreed and confirmed that Macrotech Developers is the owner of and has the exclusive right to use the brand names Lodha and Lodha Group. 5. RVNL flared up 4.19% in yesterday's trade after the company emerged as the lowest bidder, L1, for a Rs 143.37 crore Southern Railway project to upgrade the electric traction system in the Salem division from 1 times 25 kV to 2 times 25 kV.